Good evening everyone. So, I am Altea Lorraine Balaro from Batch 4. So, yung topic naman po natin today is September 17. Bakit hinayaan ni Lord na patayin si Charlie Kirk? Or Sovereignty. At ang scripture po natin today ay matatagpuan sa Psalm 115 verse 3. Excuse me. Verse 3. Sovereignty is God's supreme rule and authority over all things. His will covers everything that comes to pass, leaving nothing outside His control. Even evil and misfortune are subject to His governance, fulfilling His wise purposes. This sovereignty is not passive permission, but active direction of history. For believers, it is a source of deep comfort, assuring them that every trial and circumstances is ordered for their ultimate good and God's glory. Sabi sa teachings na there is a sovereign will of God, which is one covers whatsoever comes to pass, controls even evil and misfortune, comforts believers in times and suffering, and the applications here are the find comfort in God's sovereignty. Ito lang po yung parang na-explain sa atin na kahit anong comfort yung maibigay ng ibang tao, mahal man natin sa buhay, iba pa rin pag ang Panginoong Diyos ang yumakap sa atin, ang nag-comfort sa atin sa mga panahon na kailangan natin ng someone to rely on. Kaya nga it is very important na talagang mas lumago yung relasyon natin sa Kanya dahil alam natin kung kailan tayo unang lalapit at hindi yun sa tao physically but of course spiritually na kung saan ang Panginoong Diyos ay makikinig sa atin, mabibigyan tayo ng tamang direksyon, tamang desisyon sa gagawin natin, kung ano ba yung lungkot na dinadama natin, galit na dinadama natin. We should ask God first dahil He knows everything in this world. And feast in the presence of your enemies and fall in love with the biblical doctrine. So, mag-follow lang po tayo palagi ng salita ng Panginoon Diyos sa atin dahil ang Lord ay hindi kailanman nagkamali sa anumang impormasyon na maibibigay niya sa atin. Lalo na ang pagmamahal na binibigay niya sa atin araw-araw, yung papasalamatan sa Kanya dahil tayo ay araw-araw pa rin nagigising. So that's all everyone. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day ahead for tomorrow. God bless.